Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly create drop-down lists to standardize data entry in your spreadsheets. This is super useful if multiple people are working on the same file or if you want to avoid typos. Step 1. Select the cell and open Data Validation. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down list. Go to the Data tab and look for Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Click it, and a pop-up window appears. Step 2. Set up the drop-down list. In the pop-up, under Allow, choose List. In the source box, type all the options you want, separated by commas. Example: HR, IT, Marketing, Finance. Click OK. Now you'll see a down arrow in the cell. Click it, and you can choose from your list. No more typos. Step 3. Apply to other cells. You don't need to repeat the setup for every cell. Click the cell with the drop-down, then drag the fill handle, the little green square in the lower right corner, down to copy the drop-down to other cells. Tip: if you already have data in the column, dragging the fill handle will overwrite it. Ideally, create drop-downs before entering any data. Step 4. Adjust the order of options. The order of the items in your list comes from how you typed them. To change it, click the cell, go back to Data Validation, and reorder the items in the source box. Click OK, and the drop-down updates. There are several other ways to create drop-down lists in Excel, so check out my other videos for more tips. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like, follow and subscribe, and click the bell to get notified when I post a new video.